Most engines don't die of old age. They get murdered. And the weapon? That little maintenance booklet sitting in your glove box right now. I'm Joe, 50 years turning wrenches in this here garage, and I'm gonna tell you something the dealership won't. The reason your neighbor's truck blew up at 130,000 miles, while old man Henderson's Camry just rolled past 500,000? It ain't luck. It ain't the brand. It's 17 habits. Simple ones. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know every single one. Let's get into it. Habit 17, the 5,000-mile oil rule. That 10,000-mile oil change interval the manufacturer brags about? That ain't engineering, friend. That's marketing. They want their car to look low maintenance on the showroom floor. They don't care if it's a paperweight at 150,000. I've been pulling valve covers for 50 years, and I'm telling you, fresh oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Especially if you do short trips, sit in traffic, or live somewhere hot. Stretch that interval, and sludge starts cooking inside your engine. You won't see it today. But 5 years from now, your timing chain stretches, your VVT solenoids gum up, and suddenly, you're staring at a $4,000 bill. Use synthetic if your manual says so. Always change the filter, and skip those $2 bargain bin filters. Spend the extra $5 on an OEM. Your engine will outlive your mortgage. Habit 16. Transmission fluid. Lifetime fluid. Whose lifetime? Not your car's. That's a sales pitch. That transmission fluid is heating up, breaking down, and collecting metal shavings every single shift. And it hides it real well. Still looks pink. Still smells okay. Meanwhile, it's grinding your clutch packs to powder. Drain and fill every 60,000 miles. Never flush an old transmission that's never been touched. You'll knock loose debris, and that's a death sentence. Use the exact OEM fluid your car calls for. Toyota WS for Toyotas. Honda ATF-DW1 for Hondas. That universal jug at the parts store? Skip it. Mixing fluids is how transmissions slip themselves into an early grave. Habit 15. Coolant clock reset. Coolant turns acidic over time. Not just dirty, corrosive. It eats your water pump, rots the gaskets, clogs the heater core, and it's sneaky. You'll smell that sweet, syrupy smell, see white smoke. Keep topping off the reservoir. That's not a mystery. That's the opening chapter of a blown head gasket. Flush it every 3 to 5 years. Use exactly what the manufacturer says. Red means red. Blue means blue. Mix them up, and you turn your cooling system into chocolate milk. Habit 14. Timing belt deadline. Your owner's manual plays it safe for the warranty department. It doesn't play safe for your engine. By 60,000 to 80,000 miles, most timing belts are already cracking. And here's the kicker. They age sitting still. I've seen 7-year-old belts with 40,000 miles snap in rush hour traffic. When that belt breaks on an interference engine, your pistons kiss your valves and your engine loses. Every time. Replace it at 60,000, and when you do it, replace the tensioner, idler pulley, and water pump together. They wear together. Skip them and you'll pay for the labor twice. Habit 13. Quality. Spark plugs, worn plugs kill engines. Weak spark, poor combustion, raw fuel dumping into your catalytic converter. I've seen $60 in bad plugs cause $3,000 in damage. Stick with the good stuff. NGK Iridium for most Japanese cars, Denso for hybrids, Motorcraft or AC, Delco for Fords and GMs. Replace every 60,000 to 70,000 miles. And if you pull one out and it's wet with oil, that's not a plug problem, that's a leak. 3 o'clock mark insertion. We're already at minute 3. Whoever made it this far, drop a like and comment. 3. I want to see the real ones who stuck around. Habit 12. Fuel filter. Your fuel filter's got one job. Keep junk out of your engine. When it clogs, it kills fuel pumps, wrecks injectors, and tanks your mileage. Replace it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. And if some shop tells you, we blew it out, it's fine. Find a new shop. That's lazy. Habit 11. Brake fluid. Lush. Brake fluid drinks moisture out of the air. After 7-8 years, it's so waterlogged it'll boil during a panic stop. You hit the pedal, it goes to the floor, and you're a passenger. $20 gets you a brake fluid tester at any parts store. If it reads over 3% moisture, flush it. Every 2 to 3 years, no exceptions. Use the exact spec your car calls for. DOT3, 4, or 5.1. Habit 10. Differential and transfer case. Most folks forget these even exist. They're full of gear oil that breaks down, picks up metal, and quietly chews itself apart. I've heard differentials whine for 6 months before they locked up solid. Change that gear oil every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. You tow, go off-road, or run all-wheel drive. Sooner. Warm the car first, drain it, wipe the magnetic plug clean, refill with the exact spec. Done. Habit 9. PCV valve. This little $10 part controls pressure inside your engine. When it fails, pressure builds, seals start leaking, and oil disappears. I've seen engines burn a quart every 1,000 miles over a $12 part nobody thought to check. Replace it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. 5 minutes, $10. Saves you a $1,200 oil leak. Habit 8. Clean the mass airflow sensor. If your engine feels sluggish, idles rough, or eats fuel, your MAF sensor might just be dirty. Pull it, spray it with CRC MAF cleaner, never anything else. Let it air dry, put it back. Don't touch the wires inside. Climax, peak moment insertion. Hold on, we're about to hit the most shocking part. Before I tell you, hit subscribe so you don't miss stuff like this. Clicked? Good, because what you're about to hear will blow your mind. Drop a like and run to the comments. Ready? Pay attention. Habit 7. Alignment. Every 10,000 miles. Here's what the dealer won't tell you. By the time the manual says to check alignment, you've already destroyed a set of tires. One bad angle, and your tires wear 30% faster, your fuel economy tanks, and your suspension takes a beating you'll pay for at 80,000 miles. Every oil change, get the alignment checked, costs you nothing to look, costs you everything to ignore. Habit 6. Don't cold rev. Cold revving is engine suicide. Oil's thick, sitting at the bottom of the pan. You rev it up and you got metal grinding on metal up top. That's how pistons score, bearings fail, and turbos blow seals. Start it. Let it idle 30 seconds. Drive easy under 3,000 revolutions per minute until the temp gauge starts moving. That's it. That's the secret. Habit 5. Stop idling. Idling drops your oil pressure. Not enough to set off a warning light, just enough to starve your lifters and cam. Those soft little ticks become hard knocks. $1,500 for a habit you thought was harmless. 45 seconds, then drive gentle. That warms an engine faster than 10 minutes of idling ever will. Habit 4. Wash the undercarriage. Salt is corrosive. Mud holds moisture against your frame. I had a customer whose rear subframe snapped clean in two. Car looked beautiful on top, rotted to dust underneath. If you live where it snows, rinse the underside once a month all winter. Live near the coast? Salt air's just as bad. Hit the wheel wells, the frame rails, the brake lines. A $10 wash beats a $4,000 frame job. Habit 3. Clean battery terminals. That crusty white-green fuzz on your battery posts blocks current, overworks your alternator, and confuses every sensor in your car. Baking soda, warm water, old toothbrush. Scrub it clean, dry it off, smear on a little dielectric grease. 5 minutes. Saves you from the slow start runaround that ends in a new alternator. Habit 2. Listen to your car. We all do it. Hear a squeak. Turn the radio up. That squeak's your car waving a red flag. Brake squeal, worn pads. Clicking when you turn. Bad CV joint. Knocking under the hood. Don't even guess. Get it checked. Catch a noise early and you fix a part. Ignore it and you replace a system. Turn the music down once in a while. Smart drivers listen. Habit 1. Keep a log. You think you'll remember the last time you flushed the coolant? You won't. Nobody does. Keep a notebook in the glove box or use a free app. Carfax Car Care, Drivo, doesn't matter. Just write it down. Every service, every part, every date. You'll catch patterns early. your resale value goes up. And if you ever hand it to a shop, they won't have to guess. A $2 notebook protects a $30,000 machine. Do it. Closing. That's it for today. If you liked it, hit subscribe. Drop the next topic you want me to cover in the comments. See you next time.